Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make your Threads profile public in your Threads application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below, and we just quickly move on to the video.
So how to make thread profile public. So you can see how to know your profile is on the private or public. You can see a lock symbol on the top which shows your profile has been privated. So just click on this lock symbol, or otherwise just click on these two dots, go to the privacy. You will see a private profile is turned on. You just want to turn it off, so switch to public account. So otherwise you can easily access it from simply from the profile. Click on this edit profile and you will see option called private profile. Just turn it off. That's it, simple, and click done. So now it shows switch to public account. Anyone on or off Threads can see and interact with your content. So your profile is now on the public page like a Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. If you having any doubt about the Threads application, you just comment below. I will make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.